Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is a very special one because in today's video I'm going to share with you this beautiful Durga Puja makeup tutorial, and for that I have created this red and gold halo eye look. This can be your Karwa Chauth makeup or your Diwali makeup or Navaratri makeup, or you can wear this look to any wedding as well. So today's video is a very special one because I am a Bengali girl and Bengali Durga Puja is very special to me. It's very close to my heart. So hope you enjoy, and before starting, if you are new to the channel, then please take a moment to subscribe, and if you are already a subscriber, then I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the shade Black Brown, and I'm drawing the borders on my brows first, and then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link that video down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. In that video, I have shared with you so many tips and tricks to get perfect brows each time you do your own makeup. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that there is no patchiness. Now I am taking this MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC35, and I'm cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. This step is totally optional. If you do not want to do it, you can totally skip it. For me personally, it's a must one because it just makes my brows look so defined. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. Now I'm just blending out the concealer using a damp sponge. This sponge is from Wet n Wild. To set the concealer, I am taking this Beauty Bakerie loose powder in the shade Cassava, and with this e.l.f. highlighting brush, I'm just setting the concealer. Now I'm taking Comfort Zone from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I am applying it as my transition color with this Morphe M441 brush, and taking little by little product, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. This is a beautiful warm toned brown color, and it's a perfect transition shade for my skin tone. Now I'm taking Living My Best, which is a gorgeous red shade. It's mostly matte, but it has a tiny bit of gold reflect in it, and with this Morphe JS15 brush, I'm applying it on my outer V area on my inner corner, and then I'll be connecting those two corners through my crease. And as you can see, I'm just slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of harshness or patchiness going on, especially with this kind of darker shades. They tend to become patchy really easily, and you do not want that. Now I'm just connecting those two corners through my crease, and for that I haven't taken any extra product. I'm using whatever that is left on the brush. Again, I haven't taken any extra product. I'm taking Crazy, which is a dark like maroon shade, and with this tiny blending brush again from Morphe, I'm applying it on my outer V area as well as on my inner corners, just to have that depth. I have applied this NYX Glitter Primer on the middle part of my eyelid, but the clip got missing. Now I'm mixing Thalia, which is the gold shade, and Right or Diamond, which is a champagne gold shade, together, and with my finger first I'm applying it on the middle part of my eyelid, and then I just switched to a brush to have that precise application. Taking the matte red shade, I'm blending out the edges to create a nice, soft, smooth gradient effect. Bengali makeup is incomplete without a bold kajal and a bold eyeliner, and for that I'm drawing a wing using my Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Black. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, first I'm taking this Flower Beauty In Your Prime Illuminating Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. Love this primer. It just provides your face a very nice healthy glow and it looks absolutely stunning. And one more thing, it's a perfect dupe for the backlight priming filter. Now I'm just color correcting using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spot, acne spot and dark circle going on. And then I'm just blending it out using the same damp sponge. It will just help to neutralize all those darkness and my foundation and my concealer will not look grey in color. But today a full coverage foundation is must. For that I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Sun Beige and I'm buffing it in using the same damp sponge. I love this foundation. If you are looking for a drugstore foundation for this festive season, just go for it. It's full coverage, it's very long lasting, it does not become heavy or cakey. It just looks so smooth on the skin. I have dry skin, I enjoy it, and I have seen people with oily skin, they also enjoy this foundation, and it's also good for bridal makeup. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. I'm blending it out again using the same damp sponge. This concealer blends out beautifully and it is full coverage and it actually does not crease on me, but some people say that it becomes a bit drying underneath their eyes. If you have really dry under eyes, then I suggest you to use an eye cream before using this particular concealer. On me personally, it does not crease, and look at the coverage it's just giving me. Isn't it so stunning? Now I'm taking the same loose powder again and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines using the same damp sponge. This particular powder has a very nice yellow tinge to it, which is perfect for cancelling out any darkness. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Universal Matte Finishing Powder and I'm just setting my entire makeup. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. And for that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. If you do not have this particular eye pencil or kajal pencil, you can use any kajal pencil that you have. Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner is also my favorite. Now I'm taking Crazy on an angled brush from Pune store and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. I'm taking this matte red shade called Living My Life and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. I'm just making a little more smokier, this way my eyes will look bigger. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. Again, my favorite mascara. I love the Lash Sensational one as well. So if you are looking for a drugstore mascara, definitely go for the Lash Sensational one or this one. For my falsies, I'll be using these Ardell lashes in the style 857 off camera, and here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. To me personally, it is just a perfect look for any festival. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and with this contour brush from Pune store, I'm just contouring the parameters of my face like the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, forehead as well as my nose. Again, I love the formula of this particular contour powders. They are very long lasting and this particular shade has a little grayish tinge to it, which is perfect for contouring, but it's not like too gray because on my skin tone a very gray contour powder doesn't look good. And I'm taking this Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to bring back that sun-kissed glow to the face. And again, if you use a bronzer, your contour just looks so seamless. For my blush, I'm going with this Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade 003 Wildcard, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks using this highlighter brush from e.l.f. And I'm also applying the same blush on my chin as well as on my nose. For my highlighter, I'm taking this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this setting brush from Real Techniques. And you know the drill, right? Like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as the center of my forehead. Again, what a stunning highlighter. I mean, nobody can tell that it's a drugstore highlighter. I'm just setting my entire makeup using my NYX Dew Finish setting spray. For my lipstick, I'm going with a dark red lipstick. Of course, Bengali makeup is incomplete without a dark red lipstick. And this is my Jordana liquid lipstick in the shade Red Velvet Cake. You can use any dark red lipstick that you have. It will just look perfect. I personally love the shade, love the formula of these lipsticks. They are not uncomfortable at all. They are very, very matte. They are very, very long lasting. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I got my saree on, my jewelry on. Again, I think this look is perfect for all your jamdani sarees or all your red and white sarees, red and yellow sarees, all your pink sarees. It will just look perfect. Of course, you can wear this look during Karwa Chauth or Diwali as well. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar below, so please do check that out. And for your convenience, I'm listing all the products and their shades and everything in the description bar down below, so don't forget to check them out as well. So see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.